Matt Beard was a great man. Dil. Remembering Matt Beard. Matt Beard, a name filled with beautiful memories, is a person who left an indelible mark in the hearts of all who had the chance to know him. In this life, there are people who, when they leave, not only leave a big void in the hearts of their loved ones, but also make the world around them feel like something very special is missing. Matt was such a person, a man who was not only great in the way he lived but also in what he left behind for everyone. A man who always lived for others. If there is one thing to say about Matt, it is that he is a person who always thinks of others first. He lives with an open heart, ready to help and share, never hesitate. It doesn't have to be a big event, just the small actions that he does for friends, family, or even strangers, are enough for everyone to feel warmth from him. Matt never does anything without thinking about the feelings and interests of others. He is a person who can be willing to sacrifice himself just to bring joy and peace to those around him. Endless love and care. One of the things that makes Matt special is his love for his family and friends. He is a wonderful husband, father, brother, and friend. No matter how busy he is at work, he always knows how to spend time with the people he loves. Every moment with his family is a precious gift to Matt. Evenings around the dinner table, long conversations about life, and walks with loved ones are always a great source of motivation to help him continue to strive, reaching his goals in life. Extraordinary resilience and determination. Matt's life has not always been smooth. He has faced many challenges, from difficulties at work to personal challenges, but he always overcomes everything with a resilient spirit and extraordinary determination. No matter the circumstances, Matt never allows himself to fall. He always sees failures as valuable lessons and constantly strives to become better. It is from this resilience that Matt has become an ideal role model for those around him. A shining example for the community. In addition to family life and friends, Matt is also a person who always makes positive contributions to the community. He is not only a good friend but also a trustworthy colleague and a responsible citizen. Every time he helps someone, without needing attention or praise, simply the joy and satisfaction of seeing others comforted, Matt feels happy. He believes that good deeds, even the smallest, can create great changes in society. A heart full of love and understanding. Not only helping, Matt is also a person who knows how to listen and understand. When someone was having a hard time, he would take the time to listen, without judging, without making others feel inadequate. He would simply be there and share his feelings with them. Matt always had a way of making people feel peaceful and comforted in the saddest times. He was the friend and brother that everyone wanted to have by their side throughout their life journey. Remembering Matt Beard, a great man. Today, as we sit together to remember Matt Beard, all of his good qualities come to mind. He was a great man not only for what he did, but for who he was. We will always remember his smiles, his sincere words of encouragement, and the precious memories he left behind. Matt Beard, you are a shining example that we will always admire. The values you brought to this life will live forever in each of our hearts. You made this world a better place more, and even though you are no longer here, that good will continue to spread, continue to inspire people around you. We will always miss you, a wonderful man, with a big and loving heart. Thank you for being a part of our lives, and for all that you have given. They say that a person is never truly gone as long as they live on in the memories and hearts of those who love them. Matt Beard, you will always live on in us. Dil.